The Peaceful Warrior by John. The peaceful warrior is brave and true. A friend in need, they are there for you. No need for them a sword to wield, truth and love are their only shield. Violence and anger they constantly shun, yet from trouble they never run. They have learned to bend with each onslaught, dignity and manners are all self-taught. No more that raging battle cry, it is time to do or die. Courage is not in question here, the cost to life is just too dear. The only battle they'll ever fight is one that needs no physical might. It is that most difficult one within. Against fear and prejudice they'll help you win. Thank you for joining me.